Hello students, welcome to class 6, subject reasoning. Today's topic is odd one out. What is odd one out? Odd one out is a concept that activates thinking ability around a certain area or subject that is given in a bit of a confusing manner with similar objects or text. The activity has the following pattern, which is as follows. Observe the objects carefully, identify common features, recognize the one with least common feature, spot that as the odd one out. This helps to develop vocabulary and keen observation to identify, classify, and analyze. To describe in simple words something or someone in a group that is different, that does not match with others in a certain logical manner, is the odd one out. So, today we will understand this topic with some examples. Let's start with example number 1. In example number 1, alphabets are A, C, E, F, I. In these alphabets, we will find the odd one out. So, first we will write alphabets A to I. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. When we go from A to C, we skip B. C to E, we skip D. E to G, we skip F. And from G to I, we skip H. Since after skipping one alphabet in each step from A, we do not come across F. Thus, F is odd one out. Now, example number 2. In this example, number 2, numbers are 5, 10, 30, 120, 600, 3500. Since 5 multiplied 2 gives 10, 10 multiplied 3 gives 30, 30 multiplied 4 gives 120, 120 multiplied 5 gives 600, and 600 multiplied 6 gives 3600. But here we have 3500. Thus we conclude 3500 is odd one out. Now example number 3. In example number 3, months are June, August, December, January. Now as we know that there are 30 days in June, 31 days in August, 31 days in December, and 31 days in January. Since all other months have 31 days except June, thus June is odd one out. Now I hope that you have understood the concept well and you will be able to solve the assignment that has been uploaded on EdQuark, where you have to tick the odd one out from the given series. So this is the end of today's lecture. Your homework is solve the given assignment. Thank you. Have a nice day.